In this video, we will try to understand what is the reuse task in the school. Okay, so if you observe that in this video, there is a one boy who is near at the bell. He is trying to ringing the bell, and here we can say that this bell we can say that reuse task. Why I am saying that? In the sense, we are using this boy is going to be ring the bell in the different time zones. We can say morning, you can say afternoon, and you can say that evening also. So different time zones he is using the ringing the bell. Okay, so this is nothing but reusing the task. Okay, the same way in the C#.NET we are having the method. Method is nothing but one kind of a block, we can say that, which is useful for to reuse purpose.